Right then, first unboxing I've ever done, to be honest. But I thought I'd give it a whirl and wanted to get a new GoPro, probably a 7, maybe an 8, but ooh, big bucks. So I just went for something a bit cheaper just to try to see if it was all the hype or whether these cheaper cameras could actually take it. So got myself an Akaso Brave 7. And here it is. Here's the unbox. Comes in a nice looking box, cellophane wrapped. Just got to cut that open and rip that stuff off and dispose of it responsibly, of course. And so far, it's nice quality cardboard packaging. Looks all right. Pretty smart looking thing. Slide the sleeve off. Bit of a tight squeeze pulling that thing off, but hey ho. And we've got a factory seal on there just to prove it's not been tampered with or opened before. So it's a little foil Akaso seal. And oh, magnetic box. Oh, everybody loves a magnetic box closure. So, and here we go. Oh, there's a nice little message from Akaso themselves. If you want to read it, feel free to pause, because you can't read it that quick. Pretty sure of that. I know I didn't. So this side you've got your accessories, other side you've got your camera itself. So we'll just go in with the accessories and we'll come back to the camera. So each little kind of cotton bag thing got some stuff in it. 3 little bags, 2 batteries, always good. So apparently you can charge one in the camera, or you can charge them outward, so you can have them done remotely. Apparently more batteries are available as well. Also in there's your remote battery charger. Excellent. It does 2 batteries at once, and wireless remote. So that goes on your wrist. You can remotely trigger it for videos or for stills. Seems decent quality. So I'm not sure how waterproof it is, not sure what the range is, but we'll look into that later. Like I said, this is literally just getting stuff out of the box. So always like to have things arranged. It's a curse, but some of us have to bear it. So bag number 2, this looks like bits and bobs for securing and things. So we have 2 little sticky pads, not the 3M ones that our friends use with the bigger players, but still look pretty decent, and they're only cheap anyway. So micro USB, that's for your charge point. So you use that for your charger, or you can plug it directly into the camera. Metal lanyard, secure it to things if you really don't want to lose it, and a couple of cheap zip ties. Zip ties are always good. And also in there is a lens cloth, which seems decent quality, nice thing. It's quite small, but small lenses. Who needs a big cloth for cleaning small lenses? And God, it's hard to fold up for some reason. And the last bag number 1, that'll be all your accessories. No point going through describing all these. This is really generic GoPro stuff, although excuse my slippery fingers, because you can't hold on to things sometimes. So something I did notice was the bases for the GoPro style mounts. They actually have 2 little loops in the side of them. We'll see a little bit about that later on as well. I'll mention that shortly. So usual fittings. That one is the crucial one. which actually screws into the base of the camera so that you can attach it to the GoPro mount itself when it's not in its waterproof case. And these little Velcro straps, they actually go through the sides of the base of the mounts that I was just mentioning, as do these clasp straps. So these can act like a wrist strap, or strap it to your helmet or anything like that. Again, they seem decent quality, pretty strong webbing, decent clasps. We'll see. So they seem pretty smart. They will also loop through the sides of the bases. And there's a second base. That one's got a threaded insert for some reason, probably attached so you can attach it to a tripod or something like that, so it's easily removable. But again, we'll come to all that later on in a future video. Just knock everything over. Just couldn't decide whether to get the camera out or look into the box. So here's the camera itself. It's in its waterproof housing. The camera is already waterproof to something like 30 feet, which is around about 10 meters, but it does come with a dive case. I've not opened one of these before, so I'm not really sure at this point how to get into it. I'm guessing it's to just pull it open, but I didn't want to force it, so I'll come back to that shortly. But certainly seems like good quality, very solid bit of kit, good buttons, good seals. Seals are certainly strong enough to create a bit of a vacuum so that you can't open it. But like I say, we'll come back to that. And I'll just see if that lining came out, but it doesn't. In there we have like a members club. Not registered any of this yet, but we will do shortly. You get some extra warranty, you get some priority stuff, you get better customer service apparently, this, that, everything else. And then a little quick start guide. Just gives you a QR code really for the Akaso app, so you can control the settings on your phone. I've had a quick look at that since doing this. It's not a bad app. It gets some pretty ropey reviews, but it's not a bad app. It's quite easy to use. And we'll just go back and we'll give this a bit of stick to try and get in there, because I'm sure it'll open. There we go. So pull the little camera out. There you go, as your front facing screen. On the top you've got mode buttons and shuttered button. Side you've got your on and off button, and on the back you've got your nice big touch screen. On the sides, these are a bit tricky to open because all the seals are quite strong, certainly at the beginning. Under there is your battery case, which will, again, it's a bit of a struggle to open up, but we'll come back to those on a later video. So other than that, that is it all. Always like that to be faced the right way. Thank you very much. We'll see you in some more videos shortly that'll show some of the footage from it, and we'll get some test videos and bits and pieces like that, and hopefully a bit of decent weather we'll get out on the bike as well. Upload a video of that shortly, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.